Your rear camera system displays an on-screen image of the area behind you anytime you shift into reverse. The rear camera image will appear on your touchscreen. A note to check entire surroundings will appear for the first 5 seconds. You can zoom in on the backup camera view as long as vehicle speed is below 8 miles per hour or 13 kilometers per hour. Just press the magnifying glass icon in the upper left of the display screen to increase the view to 4 times its original size. Press the icon again to return the screen to its previous view. The rear camera is mounted in the center of the tailgate handle. If ice, mud, or other debris builds up on the camera lens, clean the lens, rinse with water, and dry with a soft cloth. A quick note though, always carefully check the surrounding area before backing up. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.